Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are ready with your maths book and copy for today's class. Okay, so let us start our class. Open your maths book, page number 30. We will continue our exercise 5B. As in our previous class, we have done till question number 6. Okay, so today we are going to do question number 7, and that is fill in the missing digit. So let us start. Open page number 30. Exercise 5B, question number 7. Okay, let us do the first one. A. 8, it's blank, 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 and one more blank. Put the minus sign. 4, 5, 3, 5, 2. 3, 7, 5, 2, 7. Okay, so here difference we are having, that means answer we are having. This is your subtrahend and this is your minuend. That means here we have to find out the numbers and digits in the minuend. As this we have already studied in our subtraction property, the special name given for the subtraction sum, that is minuend, subtrahend, and the difference. In difference we are having all the digits. In subtrahend also we are having all the digits. We have to find out the missing digits in the minuend. Okay, so let us start. Now here 7 and 2. Now here both the subtrahend and difference we are having. Just add this both numbers. 7, 2, 7, 8, 9. So your missing digit is 9. Now when you will subtract 2 from 7, you will get the answer 7. Now here 5 and 2. Again subtrahend and difference we are having. So add this both number. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. So here is your answer. When you will subtract 5 from 7, you will get answer 2. 5 plus 3, it's 8. 7 plus 5, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 we are having 2 digit number. That means 2 will be here and 1 will be the borrow or carryover. Okay. Now here this is your answer. We got all the numbers, all the missing digits here. As you can see 2, 8, 7 and now. Now when you will subtract 5 from 2, it's not possible. For this what you have to do? You have to borrow from the side number. Now when you will borrow from 8, what will be remaining there? 7, and this will be 12. Now 5 from 12, 7, and 4 from 7, 3. Okay, as this is not 8, as we have borrowed from this number. So here it is 7. So this is your answer. Let us do one more. 4, 1, 3, 5, 2, 6. 1, missing here. 2, blank, 5. Here also blank. Let's do the put the minus sign. Blank. Here 6. Again one more blank. 7, again one more blank, and 5. Oh, sorry, 1. Now here, this is your minuend. This is your subtrahend. And this is your difference. Okay. Now here, in minuend, we are having all the digits. As you can see, all the digits are there in minuend. But here in subtrahend and difference, some digits are missing. So this missing digits we have to find out. Now when we are having the number in subtrahend difference, at that time we used to add the numbers. Now here minuend and difference is there. So what we will do? We will subtract this 1 from 6. When you will subtract 1 from 6, you will get answer 5. Okay. Now 5 from 2. Already minuend and subtrahend is we are having, and minus sign is there. 5 from 2, no, as 2 is small number. So what you will do? You will borrow from the side number. Now when you will borrow from the side number, so this will be 4 and the new number will be 12. Now 5 from 12, it's 7. When you will subtract 5 from 12, you will get answer 7. Now here it's 4 and here it's 7. Okay, now 7 from 4, no, as 4 is less than 7. That means this must be made by 14 by borrowing from the side number. So when it is 14, okay, 14. So 7 subtract 14. When you will subtract 7 from 14, the answer will be 7. Now we have borrowed from here 3. So this will be 2. So 2 from 2, it's 0. This we have studied in subtraction property. When you will subtract the number with the same number, the answer is always 0. Now here 6 and 1. Can you subtract 6 from 1? No, as 1 is small number. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the side number. So when you will borrow 1 from 4, here it will be 3 and here new number will be 11. Now 6 from 11, when you will subtract 6 from 11, you will get answer 5 and here 1 from 3, it's 2. So you got all the missing digits. It's so simple, students. When you are having the number, all the digits in subtrahend and difference, at that time you have to add them. As 7 plus 2, 9, 5 plus 2, 7, 5 plus 3, 8. But when you are having the numbers in minuend and the difference, at that time you have to subtract the numbers. As you can see, 1 from 6, 5, 12 from 7, 12, 5 from 12, 7. Okay, so in this way. Now, this so we have already done subtract and check the answer. First you have to subtract, then you have to add the subtrahend and difference and you will get the minuend to check the answer. Subtraction, minuend, subtrahend and difference. And to check the answer, what you have to do? You have to add the subtrahend and the difference to get the minuend. Okay. Arrange in columns and subtract. This also we have very well practiced. Now let us do question number 11. Question number 11. Let us see the first one. 8 blank 3 blank 9. Put the minus sign. 6 7 again blank 2 again blank 2 0 8 2 5. Okay, now this is your minuend, this is your subtrahend and this is your difference. Okay, now here all the digits we are having in difference, only minuend and subtrahend is missing. That means you have to subtract and get the answer. In minuend 2 digits are missing, in subtrahend 2 digits are missing, and difference we are having all the digits. Okay, now let us find out the number in subtrahend, missing digit 9 and 5. Subtract 5 from 9, you will get answer 4. Now here subtrahend and difference, these 2 digits we are having. I told when you are having the digit in subtrahend and difference, that means then you have to add the numbers. So 2 plus 2, it's 4. Now here again 3 and 8. As 3 is less than 8, you can't subtract 8 from 3. So what you have to do? You have to, that means this number must be made 13 by borrowing. So here it is 13. Now you can subtract 8 from 13. When you will subtract 8 from 13, you will get answer 5. Okay. Now you have borrowed from the side number. Here 7 and 0. Okay, now subtrahend we are having and difference also digit we are having. That means you have to add this both numbers. 7 plus 0, whenever you are adding 0 to any number or any number to 0, the answer is always same number. That means 7. But we have borrowed one number. So that borrowed number you have to add in 7. So 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. So now here 7 because we have borrowed one number. Now 6 from 8, it's 2. So here is your answer. Okay, students. Let us do one more, that is C. 5, 9, missing, 6, again number is missing and 2. Put the minus sign. 1, 4, 8, missing, 5 and 5. Okay. Now 4, missing, 5, 8, 7, again missing. So this is your minuend, subtrahend and the difference. Okay. Now here, as you can see in this question, some digits are, 2 digits are missing in minuend, 1 digit is missing in subtrahend and 2 digit is missing in difference. Okay. Here minuend and subtrahend is given there. So when this minuend and subtrahend is there, that means in this we have to subtract. So 5 from 2, no. So what you will do, you will borrow from the side number. When you will borrow from the side number, it will be 12. The new number will be 12. Now 5 from 12, it's 7. Okay, 5 from 12, 7. Now we are having subtrahend and the difference. In this condition, when we are having the digits in subtrahend and difference, we can add the number, or we will add the number. So 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer which we got is 12. But one number we have borrowed. So that borrow number we have to add in 12. So 12 plus 1, that is 13. So 3 will be here. Okay. And 1 will be the, so the 3 will be here. That means 3, now 3. So this will be 2 has one number you have borrowed. Now here 6, 8 and 6. Okay, now 8 and 6. As 6 is small number, so you can't subtract 8 from 6. So what you have to do, you have to again borrow from the side number. So it, if you will borrow, it will be 16. Okay, so 8 from 16. It must be 16. So 8 from 16. When you will subtract 8 from 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So here it will be 7 and this already we have borrowed, so it is 5. Okay. Now subtrahend and difference. Here two numbers we are having. So subtrahend 8 and 5. So what you will do, you will add this both number. Whenever we are having the digit in A in subtrahend and difference, in this condition we can add, or we will add both the numbers. So 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13, and the number one we have borrowed, that number will be added in 13. So 14. That means here the number is 4. Okay. Now when you will borrow from here, so it would be 3. Now 4, as here it's not 9. This number we have borrowed one number here. So it is 8. So 4 from 8, it's 4, and 1 5 from it's 4. So this is your answer. Okay students, so in this way you have to do the missing digits. Now when you will subtract 7 from 15, so here it's 15, it's 13. So in this way you have to do the missing digits. Now here comes the word problem. Okay, so these word problems you have to do, students, with proper statements. Let us do the first one. Exercise 5C. I am going to read the first one, page number 32. 23,958 papayas grew in Hari's farm and 23,689 grew in Adi's farm. On whose farm did more papayas grow and how many? Okay, now here we have to find out in whose farm papayas grow more and by how many. Okay, so let us start with the statement. Question number 1. Number, short form is NO dot. Number of papayas in Hari's farm that is 23,689. Okay, and number of papayas in Adi's form. Adi's form, that is 23,689. Okay, now to find out in whose form do more papayas grow and by how many, for this we have to subtract. So 23,689 minus 23, it is 958, sorry, 958. 23,958 minus 23,689. Now do the subtraction. 9 from 8, no, as 8 is small number, so what you will do, you will borrow from the side number, so it will be 4 and here the new number will be 18. Now 9 from 18, it's 9. 8 from 4, again you have to borrow from the side number, so it will be 14. 8 from 14, it's 6. 6 from 8, 2. 3 from 3, 0. 2 from 2, 0. That means your answer is 269 more papayas in Hari's form. Okay, in this way you have to do the word problem. Here comes question number 2. A factory made 47,800 TV sets in 2009. If 3,452 sets were made in December, how many sets were made till November? So what you have to do here? First you have to find out number of TV sets made in 2009, that is 47,800. Okay, now number of TV sets made in December, that is 3,452. Now you have to find out the number of TV sets made till November. So for that what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. Minus 3,452. 2 from 0. No, you have to borrow from side number. Again side number is 0. Take from 8. So it will be 7. Now here it will be 10. Now you can easily borrow from 10. So it will be 9 and here new number will be 10. So 2 from 10 it's 8. 5 from 9 it's 4. 4 from 7 it's 3. 3 from 7 it's 4 and again 4. So your answer is 44,348 TV sets were made till November. Okay. So in this way you have to do the word problems with proper statement. Now here comes exercise 5D. Mixed addition and subtraction. So here students, what you have to do, in one problem you can see plus sign also and minus sign also. So for this what you have to do, see here, first add, the rule is first add then subtract the number that has the minus sign in front. Okay, in three we are having three sums here, see, minus then plus sign. So first what you have to do, first you have to add, then you have to subtract the number that has the minus sign with the number which you will get after adding the number. As you can see here in the example, 27,321 plus 15,496. After adding this both number, you got the answer 42,817. Now you have to subtract the number which is having minus sign, that is 32,689. So 32,689 will be subtracted from 42,870. Okay, And here you can see 4 sums are given there. Here 3 were 1, 2 and 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. For here rules is given there. You have to keep it in mind, these rules. Okay students, it will make your sum easy. Add the number that have the minus sign in front, then add the other number. From there subtract the sum of the numbers. Okay, example is given there. Let us practice exercise 5D. It will make us more clear. Okay, so let us do the first one. Question number first, A, that is 15 plus 36 minus 25. Okay. Now what you have to do? First we will add, that is 15 plus 36. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry over, 3 plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5, that is 51. Now the number which is having minus sign, that is 25, will be subtracted from 51. So 5 from 1, no, borrow from the side number, it will be 11. 5 from 11, 6, 2 from 4, 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, in this way you have to do. Now let us see question number 2. 80 minus 47 plus 51. Okay, now here minus sign is here and plus sign is here. So what do you have to do? According to rules, the number which is having minus sign will be solved later. First we will do the numbers which are having plus sign. That is 80 and plus 51. So 1 plus 0, 1, 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 131. Now the number 47 is having minus sign, will be subtracted from 131. 7 from 1, no, borrow from the side number 2, and here 7. 7 from 11, 7 from 11, 4. Now this will be 0 and this will be 12. 4 from 12, 8. So this is your answer. Okay, in this way you have to do. Let us see question number 3. 200 minus 115 minus 68. Okay, now here also minus sign and here also minus sign. That means both the numbers having minus sign in front. So let us move with 200, 115 minus 200. Okay, so 5 from 0, no, you have to borrow from side number. Again side number is 0, move to 2, it will be 1, 10, this will be 9 and this will be 10. 5 from 10, 5, 1 from 9, 8, so your answer is 85. Now this 85 will be 68 will be subtracted from 85. So 85 minus 68. This will be 7, 15, 8 from 15, it's 7, 6 from 7, 1. So this is your final answer. Okay, in this way you have to do. Now let us take 4 digit B. Question number 5, B. 2318 minus 1920 plus 12,2374 minus 9752. Okay. Now here 2318 minus 1920 plus 12,202. It is 1,22,374 and 90,752. Now here this number is having minus sign and this number is having minus sign in front. So first what we will do, we will add the numbers who are having the plus sign. Okay. So 9752 plus 1920. Okay. 0 0 plus 2, it's 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 7, 16. 1 year, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2 and 9. Okay. Now 1,22,374 plus 2,318. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carry over, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 2, 1. Okay, now we got the answer. Now what we will do? Now we will subtract 92,672 from 1,24,692. Okay, so 1,24,692 minus 92,672. Okay, 2 minus 2, it's 0. 7 from 9, it's 2. 6 from 6, 0. 2 from 4, 2. It's 2. 9 from 2, no, we will borrow from the side number, so it will be 12. 9 from 12, it's 4. So this is your 9 from 12. Yes. 9 from 12, sorry, 3. 9 from 12, so this is your answer. Okay. So in this way we will do, as in four sums. Okay, in 4 sums, what was the rule? Add the numbers that have the minus sign in front. So this both numbers were having minus sign in front. That was 90,752 and 1,920. These both numbers were having minus sign. So what we have to do? First we have to add these both numbers. Okay, then add the remaining numbers. So these two numbers were remaining. Then we add these both numbers. Then the answer which we got after adding these numbers, then we have to subtract those numbers. Okay, so this we have done in this. Let us do one more. Let us do question number 6A. 41,000 minus 15,280 plus 78,256 minus 362. Now this both number is having minus sign, 15,280 and 362. So these both numbers are having minus sign in front. So first we will add these both numbers. Okay, so 15,280 plus 362. 2 plus 0, 8 plus 6, it's 14. 4 here, 1 carry over. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 and 1. Okay, now we will add the remaining numbers, that is 41,000 and 78,256. So 78,256 plus 41,000. 6, 5, 3, 12, 1 carry over, 8. So this is the answer which we got. Now what you have to do? Now you have to follow the third step, that is from their sum, subtract the sum of the numbers. Okay, this is the answer which we got after adding these numbers. Now you have to subtract these both numbers. So 82,356 minus 15,640. 6, 1. Borrow from the side number 13. So 6 from 13, it's 7. This will be 7, 11, 5 from 11, 6, 1 from 7, 6. So this is your answer. Okay. This is 2. 1,506. Sorry, 2. ये हो गया 4. So this is your answer. So in this way you have to do. Okay students, the remaining I will provide you, the copy notes I will provide you. Carefully note it down in your copy. Here also 5E, what problem is there? So properly you have to do it with proper statement. This notes I will provide you. With this your chapter 5 is over. kindly complete your notes. That's all for today's class. Thank you.